Hello and welcome to WooCommerce plugin series of quick tips. In this series of videos, I will show you all the details about WooCommerce plugin to create e-commerce website. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to the channel to get the quick tips on website design, search engine optimization and social media marketing tools. So let's start with the video. So in this video, we will learn how to set up the subscription payment in WooCommerce so that customers will be able to subscribe to your product or service and they will be able to pay you on monthly, weekly or annual basis. Now here is an example of a simple subscription product. Here we are selling yoga classes, which is a monthly subscription. You can see that the pricing is rupees 700 per month and it has a 7 days free trial and there is a small 100 rupees sign up fee. Okay, it is not necessary to set up any sign up fee, you can make it free. This product is like 700 rupees per month with a 7 days free trial. And here is another demo product, which is a search engine optimization services. It starts from rupees 3000 per month, and here you can see that there are three plans: basic plan, silver plan and golden plan. Each plan has its own pricing, so customer will be able to select from these three plans. This is the basic plan with rupees 2000 per month. It has 7 days free trial and there is a sign up fee of 500 rupees which will be collected upfront when they sign up for this service. Now the second plan is silver plan. You can see that the pricing is rupees 3000 per month with a 7 days free trial and there is a sign up fee of 200 rupees. And the third plan is golden plan, which is rupees 5000 per month. Now the currency might be different. You can use your currency. It may be dollar, it may be other currency, so process will remain same. I'm doing it in Indian rupees, so your currency might be different. So this is the plugin that we are going to install on the WooCommerce website. The name is WooCommerce Subscription. I'll give you the link in the description box. You can check the link and download the plugin from this website. Now the pricing for this plugin is $199, that is almost $200, and it is billed annually. When you pay $199, you will get 1 year extension updates, 1 year support and 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, so even if you do not renew the subscription, plugin will keep on working. You can see that it will let your customers subscribe to your product or service and pay you on a weekly, monthly or annual basis. I already have the plugin downloaded, so let's start installing this plugin and we will create 2 demo products. Alright, so I'm already logged into the WordPress dashboard of my website. I already have that WooCommerce subscription plugin downloaded on my computer. So I'm going to install this plugin on the WordPress website. So let's go to the dashboard of your website, go to plugins and then go to add new, click on upload, browse the plugin that we have already downloaded and click open. Now install the plugin. Click on activate plugin. Alright, you can see that the plugin has been activated. Now go to WooCommerce, then go to settings. Now here you will see the tab subscriptions. Click on it. We will first do the basic settings of this plugin. Now this is the button that will show when someone wants to subscribe to that product. And these are the basic settings. Now here, if you have 2 or 3 plans of the product and if you want customers to switch between these plans, then you need to check these buttons so that they will be able to switch between the plans and click save changes. Alright, so these are the basic settings of the plugin. Now let's go to the products and then go to add new product. We are going to add 2 products which will have the subscription plans. The first one will be simple subscription and the other one will be variable subscription with different plans. So let's start with the simple subscription. Let's put the name. So this will be yoga class monthly subscription. Okay, now this will be the simple subscription and it will be virtual product because you are not shipping any product, any physical product to the customer. It will be just the online classes that you want them to attend. So it will be a virtual product. Here is the pricing. I am putting 700 rupees every month. Okay, if you want, you can change it between every week, every month, every year, and it also has the option every day. Okay, so I'll keep it on 700 rupees per month. Okay, now next is never expire. If you want, you can set it to 12 months. After 12 months, customer or the subscriber will need to resubscribe. So I'll put it on never expire. The sign up fee, if you want, you can set up a sign up fee for this product. Let's set up 100 rupees sign up fee. Now here you will see optionally include an amount to be charged at the outset of the subscription. The sign up fee will be charged immediately, even if the product has a free trial or the payment dates are synced. Okay, so this will be the fees, the amount of fees that will be charged whenever customer sign up for this product. Even though there is a 7 days free trial, they will be charged rupees 100. Okay, now if you want, you can add free trial. I'm going to set up 7 days free trial. Here you will see different options: 7 days, 7 weeks, 7 months, 7 years. Whatever you want to choose, you can choose from here. Okay, so these are the basic settings. I don't want customers to subscribe twice for this subscription product, so I'm just checking this box. Enable this to only allow one of this item to be bought in a single order. Okay, now let's add some short description. So this is the description about the product. Rupees 700 per month, one-time non-refundable sign-up fee of rupees 100, 7 days free trial, and cancel anytime. Now set up the product image. Okay, now the category, I have the category of subscription, so I'll select the subscription and let's publish the product. Okay, now let's view the product. Okay, you can see this product now. Yoga classes monthly, rupees 700 per month with a 7 days free trial and 100 rupees sign up fee. Okay, now this is the short description that we have added to the product, and you will see this button sign up now. So let's click on sign up now. So it has been added to the cart. So go to view cart. Now you will see this product in the cart. The description is here. So the subtotal is 100 rupees, which is a sign up fee. At this time, whenever customer want to sign up, they will have to pay the sign up fee of 100 rupees, and 700 rupees will be charged on the 14th April, that is 7 days after the 7 days free trial. Now proceed to checkout. So this is the billing information. Now here you will see that we need to enable payment gateways for subscription. Sorry, it seems that there are no available payment methods which support subscription. So you need to have a payment gateway setup which can accept the subscription payments. So let's click on it and see which payment options are there. Now here you will see the list. You will see this is the link, payment gateways which are supported in WooCommerce to accept the subscription payment. Now this is the list. You can see that they have WooCommerce payments, Amazon Pay, Authorize.net, Bambora, Braintree, Chase Payment, and this is the list. You can see that PayFast, PayTrace, Stripe is also there, Viva Wallet. There is no PayPal listed in this subscription payment setup, so you need to have one of these payment gateways to be installed on your WooCommerce website. So I can install WooCommerce payments or Amazon Pay, and I'll be able to start the subscription payment on my website. Okay, right now it is not installed, but I can install it. So let's move on to the second product. Click on add new. Now we are going to add a subscription payment with different plans. Let's put the name for the product. So this product is about search engine optimization services that we are going to provide on our website. So there will be different plans for this service. So the plan will be basic, then pro, and then advanced, and the pricing for these plans will be different, and this pricing will be monthly subscription fees. 3 different plans with subscription. Okay, so let's add some short description here. This is the basic plan with 2000 per month. This is silver plan with 3000 per month, and this is gold plan. Okay, so we are going to create 3 different plans. Let me select the product image. So this is the product image. Category, let me select subscription. Now here I'm going to select a variable product first. Okay, now I'm going to attributes. and I'm going to create attribute. I'll put the name as level, and the first level will be basic. This will be the basic plan. Second will be silver. The name of the plan will be silver, and third one will be gold plan. Okay, so we are going to set up 3 different plans. So if you don't know how to set up variable product, you can watch my other video where you will see how to set up variable products. Okay, so these are the 3 plans, and check this box used for variations and click on save attributes. Done. Now go to variations. Okay, now click on drop down box and select create variations from all attributes. Click go, click OK, click OK. Okay, now you will see 3 different variations added already: basic, silver and gold. Now let's publish this product and view the product. Okay, here you will see the description of the product. It says this product is currently out of stock because we have not done any settings yet. So let's go back to the product. Now here select variable subscription. Okay, now go to variations. Okay, so this is the first basic. Now sign up fee. If you want to add sign up fee, you can add the sign up fee. Let me add 100 rupees sign up fee. Now let's make it 200 rupees sign up fee. There will be 7 days free trial, and the subscription amount is 2000 every month. Okay, and this is not going to expire. Okay, it is in stock. So let the other settings as it is, and now go to the second one, the silver plan. Set up sign up fee of rupees 200, free trial for 7 days, and the subscription fee is 3000 rupees every month. Okay, now the third option, gold plan. So I'm not going to set up any sign up fee for this product, and there will be no free trial for this subscription, and the price will be 5000 rupees per month. Alright, now click on update. Okay, now click on this product and refresh the product. Now here you will see SEO services. This is the product. These 3 plans are here. You can show the difference between the 3 plans here. You will need to explain the customer what is the difference, what you get in 2000, what you get in basic plan, what you get in a silver plan, what you get in gold plan. You will need to describe that. This is just the demo product. Now here you will see an option to select the plan, basic, and you will see 2000 per month. Silver, you will see 3000 per month, and gold you will see 5000 per month. Let's go back to the product and see why it's not showing. Okay, let's see, 7 days. Okay, let's set up the product sign up fee again. It will be 200 and 7 days free trial. Now let's go to the silver product, sign up fee of 200 rupees and 7 days free trial. And let's update the product again. Go back to the product and refresh the page. Now here you will see the description. This is the SEO services starting from 2000 per month with a 7-month free trial. It shows 7 months. Let's go back and check. Let's change it to 7 days. Same with this one also, 7 days. Update it. Now let's refresh the page. Okay, now you will see that SEO services starting from 2000 per month with a 7 days free trial and 200 sign up fee. Here people can select from different options. So this is for basic plan, 2000 per month with a 7 days free trial and 200 rupees sign up fee. So it will collect the 200 rupees upfront even though there is a 7 days free trial. Here is silver, 3000 per month with 7 days free trial and 200 rupees sign up fee. And the last one is golden, that is rupees 5000, no sign up fee and no free trial. Alright, so let's add this one, the second one, and click on sign up now. Okay, now here you will see that there is an option to select multiple products. So let's go back to the product. Here check the box and update it. Okay, now let's refresh it. Okay, now you will see that that option is removed and customer will be able to buy only one product at a time. All right, now let's go back to the shopping cart and you will see this product is here, rupees 3000 per month. That is the silver plan that we have selected, and this is the sign up fee, and there is no shipping because it's a virtual product. And proceed to checkout, and you will see the description. They will need to fill up this form and account will be created, and you will see this message again, enable payment gateways for subscription. So make sure that you have one of these payment gateway set up on your WooCommerce website. So this is how you can use a WooCommerce subscription plugin and start selling your product or services on monthly or yearly basis. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.